This is the Beatron voice amplifier, a 20-watt voice amplifier, and this was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. I'm looking forward to checking this thing out. Let's open it up, see what we got in here. A little unboxing for you. At the top, we got the instruction manual. We're going to need that, and that is all in English. And we have the actual voice amplifier itself. Let's look at that guy. It's actually a little bit smaller than I thought it was going to be. A Bluetooth headset in here, and that is rechargeable. Wow, look at that. We have a wired headset in here. Headset with a wire on that. I think some of the features on this thing require that you use the wired headset, like if you want to record. There's a strap, if you want to strap it on around your shoulder or your waist. One USB with 2 charging ports on it. That is kind of cool. And we have this 1/8 inch to 1/8 inch jack. It is 3.5 inches by 4.5 inches. Not too big, not as big as I thought. It's basically the same size as the instruction manual. This unit has 20 watts at peak power, which is pretty good for a unit like this. My first guitar amp had 20 watts in it. It says it'll cover about 10,000 square feet. One of the cool features on here is it's rechargeable, and so is the Bluetooth headset like we were talking about. These are both rechargeable. You can charge them up, and when you plug this in to charge it, a little red light will come on and tell you that it's charging. There is a port right here where you can insert a USB if you wanted to record yourself, or actually you can use this thing to play whatever's on the USB. When you play something on the USB or the SD card, which I'll show you, there's a micro SD slot right here. It'll go into loop mode. It'll loop back unless you tell it not to, and the instructions tell you how to do that. I believe you hold one of these buttons for 3 seconds and it'll stop it. Here on the side, we've got the micro SD card input and an on and off switch with the volume.
UHF amplifier mode.
There it is. On the top here, we have an audio in and a microphone jack. So the audio in, I assume, is coming for this 1/8 inch jack right here. You can plug an audio device into here and play it through here if you wanted to, or you could plug in your wired headset. So with the USB slot and the micro SD slot, it gives you the option to record on here, but when you record, you have to use the wired headset for it. So that's what that's for. And when you turn this on here, on the top here, it flashes UHF, and whenever you touch any buttons on here, 4 lights turn blue to let you know that you've actually touched something. So that's kind of a cool feature. I like that. It's very lightweight. It's not bulky at all. And on the back here, we have a little clip so you can clip it on your belt if you want to. All right, so if you want to pair this up, you have to turn it on, and you're going to have to use a phone. You're going to double tap the source button here on the top. There's a source button. Double tap that.
Bluetooth waiting for pairing.
It tells you that it's going into Bluetooth pairing mode. So you come over to my phone here, and we will scan for it. There it is. Beatron shows up right there. So let's hit that. Pair with Bluetooth. Okay.
Bluetooth connected.
Look at that. Connected. All right, I'm outside now, so I'm going to show you how easily these two devices pair up. I believe they come already paired together. I didn't have anything to do with that. So you just turn this on.
UHF amplifier mode.
Then you turn this guy on. Little switch there. Yep, look at that. We're paired up. All right, let's do a test. See how far we can walk away in here. I don't even have this thing barely up loud, so I'm afraid to turn up too loud. Wow. Holy cow. I'm outside and my neighbors can hear this. But yeah, about 10 feet away. 20 feet away. It's pretty loud. Pretty cool. It's pretty cool. All right, here's test number 2. I'm actually put this speaker back in the house, and I'm outside of the house right now, and I'm assuming you can hear how loud that is. Yeah, neat device, small, compact, lightweight, has a strap. You can do, has all kinds of functions on it. You can run audio into it via Bluetooth or plug directly into it. You can play music through here. If you're a teacher, you could use it to talk to a classroom. If you're a lecturer, you could use it to talk to a large classroom. The sound carried very well. It carried so well. I was outside of the house using it inside, and I could hear myself just fine. Outside, I had to turn it down because I was afraid I was going to disturb my neighbors. I can see this would be great for a tour guide, somebody who's giving a tour outside. I've got a large group of people, maybe a family function where you want to make sure everybody hears you. You got a big outside party or something. But pretty cool device, the Beatron Voice Amplifier. Check it out.